Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Desire Jean, and I'm back with another video. So today we'll be doing passion twists on my hair. Guys, this is my first time doing them, but I definitely want to try them. The method that I use is just twisting it from head to toe, but I did try braiding it. Did not work out for me, so this is the method that I found easy for me. And I hope that you guys just learned something from this video. I definitely want you guys to go out and try it for yourselves. So I'll be having everything that I use down below, but I did buy my hair off of Amazon. I forgot what it's called, but I'll definitely have that link down below. I did get the color 1B, 18 inches. And then I am using the Lovely Bees Edge Control for my roots, and then down the shafts of my hair, I'll be using the Curls Control Paste. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then just on my scalp, just to nourish it a little bit, I am using my friend's Nourishment Oil, but it's called Custom by Key. It definitely has a whole bunch of oils that definitely helps moisturize, but it has castor oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, and avocado oil, and also aloe vera as well. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you guys follow my social media, and if you guys want to see how I install my passion twist, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so this is what my hair is looking like so far. It's looking really good. I am really excited about finishing. But guys, I am so proud of myself for even doing these. But yeah, so I pre-parted my hair just to make it easier to do my hair during the process. It definitely did take a while for me to part my hair because this is my first time parting my hair completely by myself. And also, it's my first time using Lovely Bees Edge Control. She is another YouTuber that started to make her own hairline. She has edge control, a leave-in conditioner, and also a hair mask. I did get this from Amazon. When I was looking for the link for you guys, it's like gone. Now I also got her leave-in conditioner, which I also got from Amazon, and I found that link, but it says unavailable, so I'll be posting that link down below. I will also be posting her link to her hair website. It does say sold out, so I honestly don't know if she's going to be selling any more of them. I was lucky enough to get the edge control and leave-in conditioner when I did. Now I'll just be showing you guys how I put in these twists. So that's what I'm going to show you. So this is one of the pre-parted sections. And so I'll be using the Lovely Bees Edge Control on my root. Okay, and then once I have that on my root, I will be splitting my hair into 2 parts. And then I'll just be taking 2 pieces of hair and overlapping them. One side short and one side long, and then the same thing on the other side. In the middle of that and placing it under my hair. Like so, and then I'll just push the middle up to my root. Hopefully y'all can see this, but then I'll just start twisting while I'm keeping this finger pushed up against my root. And your hair should be getting tighter. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I could definitely feel it. And then once I feel that it's tight enough, then I'll just cross it over And don't let go of that twist that you just twisted, and then twist the other side while keeping this finger up against your scalp. And then once you feel that that piece is tight as well, then you just start twisting. Then once I twist it about 3 or 4 times and I feel that it is tight on my scalp, and then I'll be taking the Curls Control Paste and I start twisting with that just to make sure that my hair blends with the fake hair. And then I'll just keep doing that all the way down, still grabbing some control paste, and I'll just twist my hair all the way to the end. And you want to keep, like, whatever you're using, you can use edge control, gel, whatever you think will hold your hair. But you can use anything, and you want to make sure that you keep that on your fingers while you're twisting, just so everything stays in place. So you don't have any hairs coming out. Like, there's one in the back, like this one. See, I didn't have the edge control on my fingers while I was doing this, so there's a piece of hair coming out, so I will be fixing that one. But yeah, so you just do this all the way down. Okay, and then once I get down to the bottom, I'll just take a little more edge control, and then I would just twist it. Twirl it like that. Okay, and then once you let go, then it'll just crinkle up just like that. Okay, and rewind that part as much as possible when I'm just talking through it, but now I'm still gonna show you guys how I do just a few more, but I'm just not gonna talk through it. Guys, I am done. I did such a good job on them. You guys see? And they're like super long. See there? They're right to my butt. But guys, I like these so much. Oh, I'm so hyped. I did such a good job. My parting is not all that bad. But yes, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and learned something from this video. I want you guys to go out and try them for yourselves, especially during this time, because you have time to practice. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys comment down below of what you guys think of my hair. And then also make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, guys. And if you want, turn on the notifications just so you don't miss another video. And make sure you guys follow my social media. I have all that information down below, as well as where I got the hair and my other products from. But yes, guys, I like them so much. But yes, go out and try them and stay tuned for my next video.